Here it is, a snake. Are you doing your fish face? Do your fish. Oh, good job. Nick, can you do your elephant sound? What does the elephant say? What does the elephant say? Can you do an elephant? Yeah. What does? You did it. There's your fish. Yeah. What does? Let's see. See here. See here. Oh, okay. No, no, no. You want to move? Say, Mama, no. Okay. Okay. I'm so sorry. Mama's so sorry. Oh, look, it's you. Look how cute you are. Yeah. It's you. You see what a lion says? Roar! Can you see what a pig says? Can you do pig? Can you say what a cow says? Moo. Say moo. Moo, like a cat. I love you. Okay, what do you want to do? Okay. Okay, no more recording.